Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the best free and open source apps you need to check out in 2024. These apps are not only free to use, but their source code is also available for anyone to inspect, modify, and enhance. Perfect for privacy enthusiasts, developers, and anyone looking for high quality software without the cost. Let's get started. First up, we have a LibreOffice. It is spelled as LibreOffice. It is a powerful Office suite that includes applications for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, drawing, database management, and more. It is a fantastic alternative to Microsoft Office, and it's compatible with most document formats. Next, let's talk about GIMP. GIMP or GNU Image Manipulation Program is a robust photo editing software that rivals Photoshop. With its extensive features, you can do anything from basic image retouching to complex photo manipulations. And the best part, it's completely free. For video editing, check out Kdenlive or Kdenlive. It is an advanced video editor that's perfect for creating professional quality videos. It supports multi-tracking editing, a wide range of effects, and various export formats. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Kdenlive has got you covered. Next up, we have VS Code. VS Code or Visual Studio Code is a lightweight yet powerful code editor developed by Microsoft. It's open source and supports a plethora of extensions for different programming languages and frameworks. With features like IntelliSense, debugging, and Git integration, it's a must have tool for developers. And there you have it, folks. These are some of the best free and open source apps you should definitely try in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.